Just a little bit of technical drama there. Prom number 1, Felicia Lin from Adventure 21. She is up on prom number 1 right now. She's joined by Jen is up on 2. Nicholas Sean is up on 3 and Valerie's up on 4 right now for the ladies. Looks like our ladies are bringing down the action. They are taking down the climbs and so